Welcome to Radio Flyer Help Videos. Today we'll show you how to remove a seatbelt from a wagon. We'll be using a Pathfinder wagon body, but it should be noted that this procedure will work for any plastic wagon. To remove the seatbelt from the wagon body, we'll need one tool, a Phillips head screwdriver. Every seatbelt in the wagon body is held to the body by a plastic screw and washer. In order to remove this plastic screw and washer, we want to hold the washer still and use the Phillips screwdriver to turn the screw in a counterclockwise direction. Sometimes you'll notice that as you unscrew the screw in a counterclockwise direction, the plastic washer around the screw may be spinning with it. That is why it's important to hold down the washer with your finger as you turn the screwdriver in a counterclockwise direction. Once the screw is completely unthreaded from the plastic washer, remove the screw and you can grab the seatbelt and give it a slight tug. With the plastic washer out of the body, we can now separate the washer from the seatbelt by pulling it out of the hole in the seatbelt. To install the seatbelt back into the wagon body, take your seatbelt strap with the hole and insert the plastic washer like so. Once the plastic washer is inserted into the nylon strap, insert the prongs of the washer into the hole of the wagon body. That should push in and make sure that the washer is pressed down flat against the wagon body. Now we'll take the same plastic screw that we had before and insert it into the washer. At this point, there are two ways to secure the screw into the wagon. You can either use a Phillips head screwdriver and turn the screw in a clockwise direction until it's flush with the washer, or you can simply take the Phillips head screwdriver and push the screw down into the wagon body. When the screw is flush with the washer, you will know that the strap is fully secure. To check your seatbelt installation, you can grab onto the nylon strap and give it a couple of tugs upward. If the plastic washer and screw do not dislodge from the body, then the seatbelt is secure.